Hey guys, restore update. I thought this was kind of cool. Somebody will put it out for sale, I think. Let's turn these off, since we're coming up on the end of the day. Is that off? Looks like it. So, that one just went out. I think that's a, I don't know who made that, but it's got a Halsey remote. Mark this one down since it's still here. Still here. Mark this one down since it's still here. Still here. We sold a lot of flat ones. This one came in today. This one we sold last week. They brought it back, redonated it. Not because anything was wrong with it, so I put it back out for 10 instead of 15. Still here. Put that one out today. Put that one out today. Why is this over here? Let's see if I can do this one-handed ceiling fan toss. Oh, sorry. That one's still here, over there. Those went out last week, I think. Universal's still here. This Kishler went out today. That one's still here. This Manka went out today. Still here. Oh, you just sold another one, Grant? Yeah. What'd you sell? Oh, the wood one finally found a home. That's such a good quality fan, but it's traditional looking, so some people don't want it. But it's actually a really nice one, and we just marked it down today. Black Hunter is still here. Mark that one down. This one, surprisingly, is still here. Still here. Mark that one down. Still here.
Do you have a cart to take this out?
Yes, give me just a second. Here's some stuff that came in today. These two sold. Okay. Let's let me get that guy his cart.